Try it. I've been seeing people using it, saying it's a lifesaver, it's a this. But this thing is big. But when I put this one inside my hey guys, unboxing time. I have an unboxing thing, guys. Welcome back to another video. I want to unbox here I have breast pump, electric breast pump. Yeah, I cannot control myself. This boy is suck like he sucks very well. So I just have to. That's why I have to order this breast pump. Right this evening. I'm inside the bedroom, guys, because the kids. I have to run away from them. If not, I will not hear anything. People will not hear anything directly. So that's why I just came inside here to come and do this unboxing. They are eating right and they're in the living room eating. Voila! This is the breast pump, hands-free breast pump. It's two. You have the single one, you have the double one, so this one is the double one. And guys, this thing is very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. But what to do? Because the last time, in time of Michelle, I bought the one that is electric pump, but you plug it while using it. It was not that easy, but with this one, I can just put it inside and be pumping, just put it inside my bra, be pumping and be doing other things. That's why I like it. So that's why I said, let me go for this one. So this is the manual. Stories of life yet to be. This is the cord. It has two cords because it's two. It's double breast pump. So this is the cord. Sorry, there's no more space here. That's why I'm holding it with my hand. Family meals under soft light. Cooking magic cherished feast. Okay, I think this is the mount of it. The nipple mount.
In the light, motherhood with so much love, blessings rain from up above, grateful hearts and endless cheer, memories we hold so dear, from the kitchen to the play, every step a golden day. Tips and little hacks.
So this is the same thing. The same thing is inside here. So I guess these two for one pump, these two for another pump. So it's just the same thing. Two. So this is the name. Very, very fast because once they know that I'm here, now they will come. So it's telling me she will start looking for me. Wow, this is so cute. Look at it, guys. It's so cute. So this is the machine. And this is the
waking up to sunshine.
Where the breast will be entering, where the milk will be entering. Sorry, this is where the milk will be entering. And this is the machine. It is so heavy.
Kids are laughing, rooms
So
are
this is the second one.
family meals under soft
again. Second one. Okay, it has 1 year warranty, 1 year guarantee, but it has 1 year guarantee. You know what I'm talking about. Like it has 1 year guarantee, and they have their WhatsApp number, their email address, and their website address here. Say need help in case you need any help. So they put it there. This is not a paid advert. No, I'm just doing my unboxing. Check. It's not a paid advert. So if they want a paid advert, they should reach out to me and bring another one. Because I know how much this thing costs. So it is not a paid advert, but I'm just sharing with you guys. So this is it. So this is where to plug it or charge it. So I think when it's working, this is where to increase it, the speed, and this is the plus and minus. That's how it is here. So that's it, guys. So let me try it out. I've been seeing people using it saying it's a lifesaver, this. But this thing is big, but when I put this myself, it's so big. I'll be trying it out this evening because this no the guy is trying it. He came with focus. He said, I hope you are ready. He really came with focus. So we'll be trying it out this evening. Now subsequent videos, so you'll be seeing me using it. And I'm going to share with you guys my experience with it, if it's worth the money, if it's good or not. I'll be sharing it with you guys in my subsequent videos. So I just have to wash it before I start using it. I'll take it to the kitchen and wash it. Then I'll start using it this evening. I already have the bottles that I bought, so I will also sterilize those so that we can start properly. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the little unbox I just wanted to do.
Cherished
Thank you guys.
in our kingdom, joy released. Royal living, royal bright. Days are diamonds in the light. Motherhood with so much love. Blessings rare.